This message is transmitted at the request of the Salt Lake City Police Department. A black mouse has spotted running around the park. The black mouse wants to steal banks, destroying properties, and abducted young children. It is recommended to stay in your homes. Lock all windows and doors. Stay tuned for more information. This message is transmitted at the request of the Salt Lake City Police Department. Police are looking for a young man named Hector Brook. He was last seen wearing blue t-shirt, Dodger hat, blue jeans and black and red indoor soccer shoes. This person was abducted by the Black Mouse. We also found information about the Black Mouse. The Black Mouse name is believed to be called Mickey Mouse. If you see Mickey Mouse, call 911 immediately and stay away from him. He is really dangerous. Stay tuned for more information. This message is transmitted at the request of the Salt Lake City Police Department. Mickey Mouse, his new name is Mickey Error. Mickey Error launched a toxic missile. The toxic missile could cause vomiting, coughing so hard, stomach pain, nausea, or even death. Is recommended to stay in your homes. Cover all holes in your wall from the smoke entering your homes. Stay tuned for more information in this dangerous situation. This message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Mickey Error spawned these toxic mouses. Stay in your shelter. Do not go outside. The mouses could kill you. Bring a battery-powered radio, food and water for days to stay in your shelter. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.